Hi, it's Jim here. I just said since it's a nice day I'd pop out in the balcony and let you know how things are going, see how things are going. Tell me this, do you ever think that you've got pennies in your pocket and nothing in the bank? Or another way of putting it is, if you've got too much month left at the end of your money and you're working away, you're trading time for money, you're not really getting ahead, and the future could be not bleak, it could be great, but unsure, it could disappear. So maybe you should think of getting something else going as well, another not so much part-time, but going online, build yourself a little business, something like that, something for the future, so that you can spend more time on the golf course, on your boat, walking around, taking things easy, and making money while you're asleep. I'm running a little bit of business here myself. It's going okay. Online, bit of online advertising, bit of online support for companies, small companies who need it. So if you want to know more about it, I'm working with a great bunch of people. They do fantastic work. They help people build their businesses. They help them build out whatever they need to as regards growing, building a business online, or even if you're just curious and want to find out more about online businesses, how they work, whether it's e-commerce, advertising, training, the whole lot is there. Just sign down here, sign in, send me an email. I'll keep in touch with you. I'll keep you up to date with new posts, videos, trainings, and various free webinars that we've got. So let me know. Speak to you later. Bye bye.